lecturer Puan Marziana binti Abdullah. Okay, my name is Muhammad Naim Ramlan and my matrix number is 03D8019F1008. The purpose in making this video is my group and I will present a product that has been chosen. Okay, this product is very unique, very simple and affordable to the public. It is called chair gauge. Chair gauge is a combination of two products, which is a mini chair and a luggage. Okay, this product will release soon, but unfortunately this product is not easy to find in any shopping malls. You can find this product such as IKEA, Avon, Giant Market or Tesco, and so I am sure after this video watched by the public, our chair gauge product will be popular because of the characteristic, the functions, the features and the advantages. Okay, I will start the video by explaining the functions of our product chair gauge. As we all know, the function of luggage is to store our clothes, our belongings if we go to a destination for a vacation or else. Okay, next, the function of mini chair found on the back of this luggage is to serve as a chair that can accommodate a person weight not to exceed 80 kg. This mini chair can be used as an emergency seat, such as a seat in a public place is already full, or you are waiting for a taxi or grab car by the side of the road. You can open the fold of this mini chair by simply pressing the open button, and this mini chair will open by itself. Okay, next, as everyone knows, every luggage has 4 wheels at the bottom of the bag, but our chair gauge product has been modified mainly in the wheel parts. You can lock this chair gauge wheel by simply pressing the wheel lock button twice. This is very convenient for people because you do not have to faithfully keep an eye to your luggage. Just put chair gauge in front of you and just click the button wheel lock and it will lock by itself.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Haimah Hakim bin Shahrin. My registration number is 03D8019F1009 and I'm from D83A. So now I will talk about the features of this product. A suitcase is a form of luggage. It is often of a somewhat flat, rectangular shaped bag with rounded square corners. It's such a great design and greater to compare with another product in the market. The important part is either metal, hard plastic or made of clothes, vinyl or leather that more or less retain its shape. Vinyl, leather or clothes may have a metal frame. Do you ever think about the specialty of this product? Yeah, I have one. The sturdiest chair gauge are generally constructed from the polymers such as nylon and have a covering that resists clogging and liquid from entering into the interior. From the features that we have looked before, we know that the chair gauge was the greatest product in the market in this 2020. So now, let's take a look about the characteristic of this product. Let's go!
Assalamualaikum. My name is Shazwan bin Saiful Bahari. Matric number 03 D8019 F1127. Next, I want to talk about characteristic about this chair gauge. This product designed for all age. This luggage have the different size for child, teenager and adult. For the colors, this chair gauge is designed with a variety of attractive colors. For example, red, green, white and black. That's all my explanation about this chegesh. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Syahmi bin Badr Hisham. My meeting number is 03DAT19F1010. So today I want to present about advantage of our product. There are many benefits we can get from this product. First of the advantage is to help senior netizen. When our parents went to travel in our country, many people will be stay in airport and it is difficult to find a seat for our parents. They cannot stand too long because their age, health and others. So with a combination between chair and baggage, we can be used for situation like this. Second, with the condition of country in 2020, when COVID-19 will attack our country, authorities need to adhere to the SOP for prevention of the virus spreading. If we go to the mall or airport, there will be social distancing while sitting and there will be a cross sign to distance the position. Do the limited seat. Gauge very useful at the time. Therefore, we do have to scramble to sit in a chair. Next, if we want to bring a lot of bag for travel, we can put a small bag on top of the gauge. The step is we need to remove the chair. Lock the chair, place the bag. It will not fall because the small bag will lean on the chair. It will also make our trip easier without having to worry about bag to carry. Lastly, many benefits we can get from this product. We can use the gauge with our creativity. This product should need to be published because of the many gift and benefit we get. That's all from me and my group. Thanks for watching and stay safe everyone. Thank you.
Yeah.